Yeah, this video is from Robosoft Technologies. Here we are trying to show an app which we have designed for doctors for outpatient department. So here at the bottommost you would see this MedPlanet, which is a outpatient department management app. So the doctors of the authorized doctors of the hospital, they are going to enter their user ID and password uh, in this particular app. So once the doctor logs in, all the patients assigned to this particular doctor for which the episode number is created would be listed here. So the doctor can straight away go ahead and choose the name of the patient or by hospital ID. So in this particular case, let me just search one particular patient, Sanjana, and I have done so. So now there are two options that I have. One is entering the diagnosis or entering the medication for the patient. These are at a high level are two operations that happens for any outpatient. So on top, you can move on to the next patient or the previous patient just by sliding it. So in this particular case, let me enter the diagnosis for the patient. So and let me enter the ICD code or ENM code. So the description automatically appears here, and then symptom is something which you can enter and then add. So for this patient, the diagnosis has been entered, and then let me go to the medication page. So it's a very simple screen, and most recently added medicines appears at the bottom. So let me add the medication for this patient. Let me tap on the order item. So say Calpol. Yep. And then frequency is something which we need to add here. Say once. And duration, say for 5 days. Instructions to be taken with food or without. In this case I will enter should be taken with food. So quantity is automatically determined here. You can add one more medicine if you like, say Zamitril, once for 7 days, should be taken with food. So again it's been entered. I'll say plus, and both the medicines are added now. And what I will do is I'll save it as a template so that for the next patient I don't have to re-enter both the medicines. So say I will add it as a template called as fever. So template is created successfully. Now I will save these medication for this patient. Now the recently added medicines are appearing here. What I'm going to do next is, say I will look at the next patient, and for this patient as well I'm planning to add the same medication, say fever. So both the medication attached to this template fever are added automatically, and say I can change this 5 days to say 10 days here, say 10 days, and for this patient I will prescribe it for 10 days again. So now that is done and this is done. I will save this. For the next patient I will order Zamitril from recently used, which is appearing at the bottom. So I will straight away use this tablet, and then say Calpol again. If I try to prescribe Calpol again, then it is going to say it's already entered. So that is how this entire app works. It's a very simple app which can be quite handy to the doctors in the outpatient department. We can customize this app as per your requirement, and then you have the logout button. So this is the end of the demonstration for outpatient department. Thank you.